Are you amazed by how fast greyhounds can run? You're in for a treat. Greyhounds are the ultimate speedsters. These sleek and powerful dogs can reach speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Their long, muscular legs and aerodynamic bodies make them perfect sprinters. When a greyhound runs, it's like watching poetry in motion. They have a double suspension gallop, meaning all four paws leave the ground twice in each stride. This unique running style gives them incredible speed and agility. Plus, their lean build minimizes air resistance, allowing them to cut through the air like a knife. So next time you see a greyhound, just remember, you're looking at a true champion of speed. Love dogs? Subscribe to our channel for more amazing dog facts and stay tuned for more incredible insights into the world of our furry friends.